Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Loretta Houston, and today we're diving into a topic that so many photographers dream about, but often find overwhelming. How to get an agency representation. For me, getting agency representation was one of the most pivotal moments in my career. But here's the thing, they often find you before you even think about reaching out. It could be through word of mouth, a viral video showcasing your work, a commercial project, or an editorial spread in a prestigious magazine. So while it's great to reach out, creating work that speaks for itself can open doors you didn't even know existed. So let's break it down. The first thing to know is that agencies are looking for photographers who bring something unique to the table. They want consistency in your work, a defined style, marketability. Ask yourself, does my portfolio reflect my strength? Is my style clear and recognizable? Your portfolio is an introduction, and trust me, agencies pay attention when your work is already making waves, whether through word of mouth or a standout project. In the photography world, connections matter. Start attending industry events, workshops, and shows. Introduce yourself to agency scouts, art directors, and fellow photographers. The community is small, and word travels fast. A recommendation from someone who believes in your talent can carry more weight than a cold email. One of the most effective ways to get noticed is by producing work that captures attention. Agencies often scout photographers who have created something viral, worked on a high-profile commercial campaign, or landed editorials in prestigious magazines like Vogue or Harper's Bazaar. If you can align your projects with opportunities that elevate your visibility, you're more likely to attract the right attention. Quality over quantity, always. Your website is your digital business card. It should be clean, easy to navigate, and focus on your strongest work. Include such as like portfolio, about me, contact, client list, so on and so on. Rejection is part of the process. Sometimes agencies take months to respond, or they might pass entirely. Don't let that discourage you. Often it's the work you least expect to get noticed that captures their attention. Remember, if you decide to approach agencies, make sure you're targeting the ones that align with their niche. Research is key. Look for agencies that represent photographers with a special style or target markets. When reaching out, keep it professional. Write a personalized email introducing yourself. Attach maybe 4 or 5 pictures of your portfolio, your strongest ones, and explain why you like to work with them. Remember, representation is a tool, not the destination. Focus on creating the best work you can and trust that the right people will take notice. Getting agency representation isn't just about sending emails or attending events. It's about building reputation through your work. Word of mouth, viral projects, or standout commercial and editorial work often speak louder than anything else. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.